My name's Gary. I run Brush Wizards community and great to be here today. Really busy, lots of people here, lots of stands, so really impressed.
I'm Russ from the Talking Tradesman podcast, here today exhibiting our clothing range. It's great to see such a social occasion and all the decorators coming together. Really vast range of exhibitors here, it's dead busy.
I am Craig Murphy, Murph the Painter. I have come up from the Highlands of Scotland, so it's been a 6-hour trek for me and it's been worthwhile coming. Fantastic day, it's been excellent, beyond expectation.
Hi, I'm Mike Cupid from the Decorators Forum UK. I've just been milling around at the Trade Decorator live event and I have had the best time in the world. I've been to every single one since it started. This is the best, it's the busiest there's been. There's loads of decorators here that I've been speaking to online. There's more manufacturers here, there's free food, there's a load of us down there. If you ever come to Trade Decorator Live, come for the social aspect of it. You get a lot out of it anyway. This is your opportunity to talk to the manufacturers about their products. You go into a merchant's, you see the products on the shelves, you don't know one roller from another or one brush from another. To actually talk to the people who make the products and find out what goes into the product and why it's good, what it's good for, what material you can use to apply it is absolutely invaluable as a decorator.
My name's Keith Diamond. I've only been in the industry 43 years. I've travelled 3.5 hours today to come to the Trade Decorator show. I'll tell you why I bother. Even though I don't do spraying, I'm just purely paintbrush and roller. I like to keep up with what's happening in the marketplace. To run a successful decorating business like I do, you need to keep abreast of what's happening. If you've got a spare couple of hours, come along to the show and ask questions.
Hi, I'm Lily from Painting with Lily. I'm currently doing my apprenticeship with AR Decor. We finished the job a little bit early today to come and visit here, and so far I am really enjoying it. It's really great to go around and see all the different products and meet people. It's really good for connections and networking. It's set out really well, the stands are all so great, and if you want to come down, I'm not going to lie, you'll have so much fun.